Looking to open a new account with Standard Chartered Bank? Whether it's for savings, current accounts, or other needs, starting an account is simpler than you might think. In this guide, I'll walk you through the general steps to open an account with Standard Chartered Bank. The first step is to visit the Standard Chartered Bank website or download their mobile banking app. Look for the Open Account or Apply Now section. You'll typically choose the type of account you wish to open, such as a savings account, current account, or fixed deposit. You'll then be guided through an online application form. Be prepared to provide personal details like your name, address, contact information, national ID or passport details, and employment information. You may also need to upload scanned copies of supporting documents. Finally, once your application is submitted, the bank will review it. They might contact you for further verification or to schedule a branch visit if required. After approval, your account will be opened and you'll receive your account details and card if applicable. And there you have it. Opening an account with Standard Chartered Bank is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.